welcome back, my beauty squad. If you're new, it's your girl Jessica, and guess what I got today? I have something new to my channel, brand new to my channel, brand new. I ain't the first one to come up with this. I've seen tons and tons of people doing this, so I ain't even going to try to take that credit, but I have been planning on doing this for a long time. It is a great unboxing, so if you would like to know what I'm unboxing, make sure you stay tuned. If you are new and this is the first time you're clicking on one of my videos, please be so kind and hit that subscribe button and turn that bell on. That way you get notified for every time I upload, because I do try to upload often. It doesn't work out every single time, but I do try. With that being said, I love y'all so much, and I cannot wait to show y'all what I got. Hey, my beauty squad. I'm so excited for today. So I have something new to the channel, and I'll depend on how this video goes. If it's something that will stay to the channel, this is a little trial run, and I am praying it goes super well, because this was really fun. This was super fun. Like, this is probably something that I've been so excited for, like so hyped up for, super hyped. And I've been wanting to do this for the longest, and I haven't been able to since we've been in a movement of moving and all that, and then the Wi-Fi and all that stuff. But it is officially here, and I am ready. So past few months, I've been on a grand search of just fun little makeup mystery boxes, and I haven't really said nothing because I wanted to surprise everyone with it. I've seen bigger channels do it, and they get really good reviews off of it. It's something really fun for y'all to watch, something really fun for us to do, because we all like the excitement of mystery, you know. So, drum roll, I ordered a mystery box off of Mercari, and it is still sealed. Has not been opened. It came in this big old envelope like this. I'm not gonna flip it around because addresses are on the other side. So, but yeah, it come in this little bag right here. And let me just say, okay, first and foremost, I was really nervous about a mystery box because it's a flop. For the most part, it's either a really good one or it's a really flop, and you never know what you're getting. But it's also exciting to get something that you don't know what you're getting. And I have absolutely no idea what's in this box. I did reach out and let her know that I was going to be doing an unboxing on my channel. You know, she didn't give me no information. She just told me that she was going to be putting some of her favorites in here, and that's it. So, a little info on the buyer, because I asked her if it was okay, and I told her to tell me a couple of things about herself. Her name is Jessica. Like, how coincidental. That is awesome. I freaking love it. My first mystery box was bought from another Jessica, so we already know this is going to be a good one, right? But she is 25. She is a medical assistant. She has been selling on Mercari since 2015. She has bomb-ass ratings. She has over 264 reviews, which is phenomenal, and the majority of those are really good. There are a couple, and it does say in her bio, all she does is ask that you read the description box before you buy something. If you have questions, ask her. She cannot fix something if you do not ask, or if you do not understand what you're getting. So, you know, you may mistake something, because everybody in different locations of the world, even like neighbors and stuff, we talk different, we explain stuff differently, our brains work differently. So if somebody was to say something along the lines of, oh, it's this, and you may not comprehend exactly what you're getting, so whenever it rhymes, you're going to be disappointed. So all she asks is, you know, just make sure you ask questions if you're not quite sure what is in it. She does have makeup. She does have skincare. She has handbags. She has shoes, jewelry, clothes, like beautiful clothes, really nice items. I really highly recommend, if you're familiar with Mercari, if you're new to Mercari, whatever it may be. I'm going to share my link down below, and I'm going to put her link to her closet down below as well. Go check her out if you're just in a search to look around for stuff. I promise you. You'll probably find something you like. But I was so anxious to like rip this open and look. But I honestly want my genuine expressions on here. I owe her that because, let me say, I ordered this Friday. Today is Monday. No, I ordered it Saturday. If I'm not mistaken. Friday or Saturday. One of the 2 days. And I got it already. I did order it earlier in the day, but she got it ready and sent it to me the same day. Like, thank you. Points there. Hello. So let's go ahead, any further ado, and rip her open. So I don't have y'all here 500 hours. I'm so excited. I could go ahead and tell you she did package this well. She put it into bubble wraps. I'm not going to show this part because this is one of her BoxyCharm boxes. But this is what it comes like. I was about to say, she did me dirty. She sealed it some more. Oh, that is sweet. She put paper on there and she got a thank you on here. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. So I'm guessing these are little sticky notes to go to, stuff like that. But cute. Okay. Yeah. This is the little card she sent me. Let's open the card up first. Oh my goodness, I see so many goodies. And anything that I already have, or that I'm not going to use, I'm going to put it in for giveaways. So I thought this would be a good way to start getting up my goodie box for my giveaways, because I want to go hardcore at my giveaways. Says thank you. Hello, thank you so much for purchasing and supporting a small business. It means so much to me. I really hope you enjoy your box that I was so excited to put together. Can't wait to watch your unboxing. If you have any questions or concerns, please message me. Shop my closet, Jess. Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you, Jess, so much. Oh my god. So I was going to hold this up, but I want to surprise y'all because, like, there's so many goodies. Alright. So in her description box, it states that you will receive 5 to 6 items, higher end items. I paid, I think it was like $35 for the box, plus it was like $4 or $5 for shipping. It came out to a total of $43. That is not bad for high end items, of course. So let's see what we got. This is the first thing I'm pulling out. It says Love Revolution. Oh my god, it's a little mirror. I love it. It's so cute. Did I go ahead and tell you? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, there's a lot more in here than this one. This is a liquid eyeshadow from a peel. This is gorgeous. I'm not going to swatch this because I'm not sure. I'm not mistaken. I think I already have the shade in a liquid eyeshadow. I mean, I don't gravitate to a lot of liquid eyeshadows. I don't want to keep a whole bunch of them. Oh, this is Siete London Marble Light Illuminated Blush. Y'all know Siete London is a good brand. Appeal is a good brand. Revolution Mirror is so cute. So this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, that's so adorable. And no, it's not swatched. It is brand new. But I will be swatching it. Oh, look at that. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Now I have a fashion nail filer with case. That's cute. Sassy chick. Little pineapples. Luna by Luna. Oh my god. Funny story, Jess. My daughter's name is Luna, so this is the sweetest. I absolutely love this. I love anything that has Luna's name on it. But 1 out of 5 of my daughters, my almost 2-year-old, is named Luna. And this is the shade Pegasus. It's like a blue, and I love color eyeliners. So even if I didn't, just for the name, I will be keeping that. She made my mind. I needed some more of this. I really like this, especially for my drier days. This is the No Pore Problem Prime Essence. Perfect primer I always use because it's lightweight and fresh. Oh, so this was a little bit different, but it's still like liquidy. Ooh, I can't wait to try this one because I have one that I'm almost out. I actually quit using it because I was almost out, and I like putting it on my face before I put on the heavier primer because it's really moisturizing. Then we have, oh my god, we have more. Dominic Cosmetics. This is in the shade Peach Tea. Look how pretty. Oh my god, and I don't have no lippies from Dominic Cosmetics. I love her eyeshadows, but I don't have any lippies. So this is Suiciding, and this is pricey. Oh, that's gorgeous. And it's in a shade Lemonade. I ain't gonna tell you. I will be on the lookout. Jess, if you, I know you said you want to watch this and all. So if you watch it, be prepared for me to ask for another mystery box from you coming shortly because this is phenomenal. Love Dominique lipsticks. She has a great formula that lasts. I love these little notes. She literally put notes in here for everything. And the reason why she said it because she told me she was going to be some of her favorites. This is my favorite blush. It is a perfect shade for me. It has a great glow to it. Okay, that goes to the blush. This is the Tarte High Performance Natural Clay Palette. I've actually had 2 of these, and I gave both of mine away. I might put this in a giveaway then, because I don't gravitate to them. But this is what it looks like. Yeah, it smells really nice too. It's a beautiful, beautiful natural palette. None of it's been swatched. I'm gonna leave it just like that. Has instructions to it for beautiful look. And what I like about this palette is a face and eyeshadow palette. So I would definitely be putting this. I'd rather give this to somebody that I know is going to get some use out of it because Tarte is a really good brand. It has really good formula. It's a beautiful palette if you do nudes. I'm not a nude person. Y'all know that. Thank you so much, Jess. This is my basic go-to eyeshadow and contour. This is what I use for natural looks. Good palette to choose. And then last, oh, and she bubble wrapped the crap out of it. Like she, I don't want to lose those. Put more paper down, and then she's got bubble wrap at the bottom. So this is going in a giveaway. Elemis Superfood Viral Veggie Mask. Just to show y'all, it does have a seal. This mask works well and feels great afterwards. Yes, it does, because I actually have this mask. So this is going to be another item going into my giveaway. Yay. And then she put some of the most adorable little petals, little flower petals in here. Like, she put so much love and care in this box. I'm beside myself. Like, this is beautiful. So these 2 will be going out. These 3. So I want to start building a little giveaway around these items. I hope to be doing a giveaway shortly. So make sure, if you're not subscribed, to subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me. I love y'all to pieces. Absolutely adore y'all. I'm actually going to keep this. I was debating, but I think it's cute, and I'm pretty sure she's throwing it in there as an extra for me. And I want to keep something because this was officially my first mystery box purchasing from another person, and it was a success. So I can't wait to hunt down some more mystery boxes. If y'all have any suggestions for me, leave them down in the comments below. Like, where would y'all like to see me purchase another mystery box at? Amazon, eBay. Like, y'all let me know. As long as it's a website, I don't know, we'll get gypped for my money. Like, I know I might not get guaranteed, like, what products I get, but as long as I don't stiff me for my money and actually get something, then I don't mind trying them out, especially for y'all. Like, that's what it's all about. That's what I love my channel for. Cannot wait to try this blush. Cannot wait to try this Slippy. Cannot wait to try this primer. So, out of the 6, 7, 8 items I got, I'll keep it for myself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 items out of 9 items she sent me. No, oh, more. The Luna by Luna. So I'm keeping 6 out of 9. So she sent me extra for sure. But this is super cute. I love that. I love this because I know she put it in there as extra. Can't wait to try that blush. That blush looks really pretty. This lippy, I can already tell you, is going to be like one of my favorites. I love a nude lip. And I know I would like this. I love Touch of Soul primers. My go-to is the No Problem primer. And then I like the water one too. So this one's kind of like a combined use of both. So yeah. Great buy. Like that alone, this is like 20 bucks right here. This is like another 20 bucks right here. This is probably like anywhere from 10. Whatever. This is a couple bucks. This is a couple bucks. So I got way over my money value. Plus I have goodies in there for y'all. So that's always a plus. I love getting goodies that I can share out. Like it makes it all worth the while. So please make sure y'all let me know down below. What would y'all like to see next? Just, I'm coming for you again. So I'll let you I'll give you a couple months, probably like at least 1 or 2. You let me know after you see this. Let me know about how long you need. I would love to buy another mystery box from you. I hope some of my loyal friends here come to visit your closet and we can get some of your stuff purchased. I absolutely love helping small businesses. We all have to start somewhere. Like if I can help another beautiful empowerment woman trying to do something, I'm all for it. You know, I'm all for supporting small businesses, and because I mean I'm a micro mini influencer, and so many of y'all have took that leap and believed in me, and you know, sit here and share me out and enjoy my content. And that's the least I can do for others. It takes that one leap of faith to get your name out there. I put this paper in here so this pile is not jumping around everywhere. I don't want Luna Bear to grab it. But stay tuned. I'm so excited. Thank you again, Jess. I absolutely love everything. And by no means do not thank just because I put a couple items in the giveaway that I didn't love it. I love it, but I love sharing as well. And that's what makes it beautiful, that I can share half of my goodies with one of my amazing supporters out here. Again, see ya.